Let me show you all motions and gestures available on POCO C85. So in order to find them, we need to open settings, and then we're gonna scroll down, and we want to choose additional settings. Now in here we have a gesture shortcut, and you can, for example, find the digital assistant shortcut, which is pretty standard. You can just you can just press and hold the power button in order to activate Gemini or Google Assistant. There is also screenshot section where we have the combination of the volume down and power button, which can be disabled, or you have the 3 fingers slide down gesture, so you can do something like this in order to capture a full screenshot. Unfortunately, there is no setting related to partial screenshot. You cannot really capture a partial screenshot on this phone, and you cannot really capture a long scrolling screenshot as well. So unfortunately, these 2 options are missing on this phone. Besides that, we have the launch camera option, so you can double press the power button, or you can double press the volume down button when the screen is locked in order to quickly launch the camera. There is also a section for the flashlight, but in this case we just have the double press power button shortcut. And we also have settings for the power menu, so you can decide how you want to activate the power menu. By default, we use the power and volume up buttons in order to activate the power menu, but we can just switch it to press and hold the power button, and it takes 3 seconds to hold in order to activate the power menu. But if you have the digital assistant deactivated, then it takes only half a second. I mean this option over here, launch digital assistant. If this is off, then it takes only half a second to activate the power menu. And there is also the double tap fingerprint sensor gesture, which is of course the power button in this case. So you can set it up, for example, to toggle the silent mode, and if you just double tap the power button, then you can activate or deactivate the selected option. You don't have to press the button, you can just simply tap it, and this is of course because the power button is also the fingerprint sensor. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.